Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to learn item creation in Logic ERP. Before we begin, if you want to understand the login process and basic system structure, I have already explained that in my previous video. I highly recommend you watch that first for better clarity. If you haven't watched my login and introduction video yet, I will drop the link in description. Now in this video, we will focus completely on how to create item master in Logic ERP. Item creation is one of the most important steps in Logic ERP because all the transaction, purchase, sales, inventory, and reporting depend on correct item master setup. Even if we need to see BI, AI, or any analytic reporting, item master structure and definition is very important. So let's understand the complete process step by step in a practical way. Very first, going on master creation tab, there are multiple options to create item masters. Let us first connect the other features and functionality which is equally important to create and understand. Very first, let us create one brand. So this is setup company. To create any particular brand or company, whatever you can call it as, first to type anything, I will press spacebar. I will type my brand name, press enter. I will give any short name, press enter. Now it is important to understand I need to press enter and complete my line. This will give query to my database and save the input which I have given. After so, I will click on save button. Yes, and my company got created. I will repeat, it is very important in every form I need to complete my line. Now you might see some extra columns which might not be available in your data. So it's part of configuration, what columns need to be visible and all. Any confusion, you can drop your comment and ask me. I would like happy to clear that part. Next, after company creation, I will show you how to create shade masters. Here we have an option of setup shades. Very first, to see all my existed created shade, I will click on show record. So this will show all the created shades available in my data. Again, to create any new shade, I will press spacebar and I will click on example. Same, I need to press enter and complete my line. I will save my button to save the shade which I have created. Next, I will show you creation of size master. To create the size master, I will go on setup pack sizes. Same like shade. To see all my sizes which is already created, I will click on all pack. It will give me a list of all the created shade sizes. Sorry. Again, I will press spacebar. For example, I want to create 9XL. And I said save. So with this, we have created one brand. We have created an example shade and size. Next, I would like to explain you how you can create the category, group, or matrix, whatever you can call it as. To create any category or group, I will go on master creation. Here I have an option of setup item groups. Now, to rename any field or something, you can right click on particular category and rename it. To view the input created on this particular category group, I will click on this category and I will refresh. This will give me all the data which is already created. If I need to search anything, I will type that and I will click on search button. Now, if I need to create any new category, any new group in this category field, example, same, I need to press enter, complete my line and click on save button. This way you can create your group also. I will repeat again. If I need to create another input in my subcategory, I will click on this. I will click refresh. I can press Ctrl N to go on my last cursor. I will press spacebar and give my input. This navigation is very important to understand how to create. As needed, you can input your groups. After creating brand, shade, size and group, next I would like to show you how you can create your item master. Now to create item master, Logic ERP have two forms. First form is to create item master multiple shade and multiple size at a time. For that, you can go to shade, setup item shade size wise. If I need to create single shade multiple sizes, I have an option of setup item multiple pack sizes. I would like to show one live example. I will click on setup item shade size wise. Here I will give my style number. Item name is my style number. Example, I said any of the style number. You can call it as item name, style code, item name. I can attach image. I can map my groups. So here I will say this is my jeans. This is casual jeans. This is what is my fabric type or offer any particular, whatever example you created in your database, you can apply that. If in your data might be having multiple categories, can get selected as needed. I will click on OK. Next, I can click tab or enter to navigate. If I need to go back, I can press shift tab to go back on last field. I will input my purchase rate. I'm pressing tab to navigate and go to my MRP. I will input my MRP. Now, unit of measurement. This particular jeans comes in pieces, description, whatever description you want, you can input the description. Next, after completing all the detail in this form, I will go to company and pack size. Here I can select my search and select my brand. Similarly, I will input my size. Example, 3 sizes I have selected. Now, if I have selected any size and I want to remove that, system should not create that size. So I need to remove from this selected pack size. If I untick this, system will not create that 46 size ka particular item. Next, I will go on shade and group. Here I can search and I can select. For example, I want to create 3 sizes and 2 color. If you want to see the preview before saving it, here we have an option of preview. As I click on it, system will give me the detail. Now in black color 3 sizes, blue color 3 sizes. At a time 2 color 3 sizes. Automatically 6 SKUs will get created. To save this, I will click on save button. This way my item master can get created. Now for example, I want to add any particular size or add any particular shade in that same style number. We have an option to go in this same form. No need of creating the same item master again. We will type the code. We will select the style and click on refresh. System will bring all the data available in that particular style number. Now I can add a particular size or color, whatever I want. For example, I want to add one more size, that is 46. And I want to add one more color. Example, I can add that also. I will save. Now I will show you an output how item master has been created. So here I will go again on master creation. I will go on this option. I will input the name. You can see ZEE1024 black and blue. System has created 2 color in the same style. Category got allocated, and in this 40, 42, 44, 46, 4 sizes get created. System has also allocated a barcode size wise, color wise. We will have a separate discussion and video particularly on barcode concept. Now along with this, some special options are also available in Logic ERP. For example, I want to update the rate in this particular style, or I want to do the modification in any MRP or any of the rate. Logic ERP provides a special provision to avoid the mistake by the users. Now if user need to edit the rate, no need of creating the same item master by mistakenly getting impact on another category or adding some size or something. Here we have an option of edit rate in item master. You can input the rate manually by selecting the particular style also, or it also provide a flexibility to upload the bulk data from Excel. I would like to show how it can be done. For example, I'm selecting any particular style. I will say select all, okay, refresh. Now I want to change any MRP of 46 size. It is 2299 on both the color. So no need of opening that item again, getting some mistake in particular other inputs or the field. It will only update the rate. If user need to input any reason, a log is created with the reason. Same way, if I need to attach item master, we have that provision. If I need to update any barcode, we have that option. So this was all about manual creation. For example, user is expecting to create bulk item master through Excel upload. Logic ERP provides that functionality also. So in this utility, we have an option of import masters from external file. Now, how to import that, what should be the format, what are the inputs and output, we will have a separate session or video on that. So this was a complete training on item master creation in Logic ERP. I hope this session helped you learn how to create an item master and other related fields and options in detail in Logic ERP. In this video, we focused especially on the creation process. Configuration and advanced setting can be covered separately. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who are learning Logic ERP. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for complete step-by-step Logic ERP training. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.